Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Open settings on your Samsung TV using the remote and the home button. Select General from the menu and then open Accessibility. Find Voice Guide and toggle it off to stop screen narration immediately. Voice Guide will stop speaking channel names, menu options, and on-screen descriptions across apps and live TV. If you do not see Voice Guide, check other accessibility or hearing menus on your specific Samsung model. Changes take effect instantly and do not require a reboot of the TV. Open Settings and navigate to Notifications to control pop-up messages and announcements. Select Announcements and switch the Announcements toggle off to stop automatic spoken or visual alerts. Announcements include software update notices, channel alerts, and app prompts that the TV may announce during playback. For more granularity, open notifications per app and disable notifications for individual apps like YouTube or streaming service. This prevents only the unwanted sources from alerting you, while if your TV speaks due to a voice assistant, open Settings and go to General then Voice. Turn off voice feedback and voice wake up to stop Bixby or other assistants from speaking responses aloud. Disabling these stops verbal confirmations, suggestions, and wake words from producing sound while keeping assistant functions available by manual activation. After you change these settings, restart the TV if you still hear spoken responses to ensure the new preference loads. Check app-specific voice settings for complete silence from all sources.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.